Okay, so in this problem, we're going to try to find A inverse for this 4 by 4 matrix A on the left here. And to do it, we're going to do this row reduction algorithm where we put A on the left side of an augmented matrix and the 4 by 4 identity matrix on the right side of the augmented matrix. And as we row reduce A on the left, we are going to actually be building up A inverse on the right-hand side just naturally. And so what we'll be left with as we row reduce is the identity matrix, the 4 by 4 identity matrix on the left side, and A inverse on the right side. And so let's go ahead and do that row reduction and see how it works. Really all we need to do is we need to get rid of this 1 in the top corner, and we need to get all these things on the diagonal to be 1. So let's go ahead and make everything on the diagonal 1 first. So we'll divide everything in the first row by 2. So the zeros will stay the same, but we'll get a 1/2 here.